Beautiful people, this is me, Mamta Sachdeva, once again with all of you, and today it's the last flight of mine on this year 2018. So I wanted to wish you all a great year 2019. So wishing you all a very happy new year, and this video is a very special video because many of my colleagues have wished me a new year, so I'm gonna put that all together for you.
Mamta, I just want to say wish you a very, very happy new year. It's always a wonderful experience flying with you. You are so full of positivity and so full of happiness all the time, no matter what you're going through. And it's just wonderful to fly with people like you, and I honestly hope I could fly with you every day, but that's not possible. I just wish you all the luck and all the love and all the happiness in the world, because that's what you deserve.
안녕하세요. Oh my god. We are nervous. 맘타는 아주 좋은 캐빈 매니저고요. 오늘 같이 샹하이 비행했어요. 이쪽은 저희 중국인 크루.
Mamta 是最好的客舱经理。Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
新年快乐。
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Hi.
Good evening.
We just wanted to say that our cabin manager is Mamta for this flight to Shanghai. We want to say a few words about her. She's a very caring person, and she made us feel comfortable as soon as we met her. She cares about the well-being of her crew, and I feel I'm very comfortable and glad to fly with her even for the return sector.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Okay, is this thing on? Mamta here, Kisei. I wish you very good Christmas, Happy New Year, and keep doing what you're doing because you're making a lot of.
Happy New Year, Mamta. Deepavali or curry or anything like that, and best wishes too. Bye.
Hi, Mamta. This is Karan in the lobby at Ramadan in Shanghai. So this is the first time we've flown together, and I must say that it was a pleasure, and we actually even hung out in Bollywood from your other video. I'd like to just say that it was great knowing you, and we're gonna catch up again in Abu Dhabi. Alright, you have a happy new year and a great 2019. Cheers.